Sanibona bafowethu, umkhulu umemezile bafowethu, mina ngiyavumelana naye. I-team bafethu, i-squad sihlukile ne-club. I-squad ubheka i-personality, ubheka i-character, ubheka into eziningi. Abanye abantu bakhala ngo-Lodge, abanye bakhala ngaye, abanye bakhala ngo-Brandon bafowethu. Ake ngiqale ngayo uBrandon. Very good run towards ukuphela kwe-league. Ukwi-form, simbiza ngokuthi umdlali ukwi-form. The same player was very criticized because wayenza kambi. So ukwi-form, anginayo show nge-quality njengamanje. Let him prove himself kune-season ye-Betway. Let him prove himself kwi-CAF Confed. Let him and i-collab ye-Bafana friendly aziprove kwi-squad ukuthi umuntu onjani. And then because vele kwi-goalkeeping department bo-4 okhipha ba-right, so asilekhi vele nge-quality. Let him prove himself. UGhost has proved himself kwi-Bafana udlalile kuma-friendly, and from being loaned njalo but still enze sure ukuthi uma ngabe loniwe uyadlala lapha, i-quality yakhona ukhombisa umdlali o-very grounded, umdlali o-very motivated. uThembi Nkosi Lotch is a good player, but even esakhona bafethu lana kwi-Pirates, yes, was he a standard player kwi-Bafana? No. Yes, wasiza kwi-Egypt, but nakhona even ekhona la ubeka imise i-collab. So you can't just say because ekhona i-World Cup now semelabile. Asibuyele back bafethu kwilokhuzana. Mina ngihappy ngalabo goalkeeper boy 3. Okay, sengikhulumile ngabo goalkeeper. Asiye kuma defenders. Kubuya ngathi umkhulu ufuna in each position ufuna ama options ayi-3. Right back uMtawu, uMathuludi, benosibelebele. Usibelebele will be the most important player kule World Cup. Angivumelani nomkhulu ukubiza usibelebele ahead of Morena. I think Morena is more technically gifted kunosibelebele and uziprovelile kwi-AFCON. I'm not sure no umkhulu is concerned nge-injury yakhe abenayo kwi-downs, I'm not sure, but angivumelani naye. Siye kwi-left back uCross, uModiba, uKabini. I don't like uKabini. I'm happy ngoModiba ukuba khona kwakhe. I don't know umkhulu uthi nayibonile kuCross benoKabini. uCross is not a bad player, but ngiyamquestiona igame yakhe. Because iBafana idlala ngama wing back. Remember ukuthi asadlali manje ngama wingers. I-Pirates doesn't operate ngama wingers. Because njengamanje iBafana according to me asidlali nge-strength se-South African football, and it's been a while senza kanjalo. I-strength sethu his quality, fast, short, technically good wingers. And njengamanje Pirates idlala ngama wing backs and nabo like 3 number 10s and stuff. I-Downs idlala ngama midfielders, ayidlali and then ngama wingers, ayidlali ngama wing backs, ayidlali ngama wingers. So that is my problem. So we might see uSibelebele coming in as a right forward, but mhlambe bedlale benomdawu ukuze uma simangasa sonke masiphume nge-speed kungenzeka lokho sikubona. I don't like uSibelebele as a winger because I feel like he's more good mangabe eqhamuka late eboxini, noma eqhamuka late kwenza lawo ma-crosses, eqhamuka and strong kumakeni. So with i-team njengane-Mexico sizoba ne-problem because they are very technically good, and uSibelebele does ama-fouls sometimes are wrong. Centre back, I've never seen uMakhanya. I've seen ama-video akhe. I was impressed ukuthi umuntu obuya ngathi ukhamba. So ngimprofiler uMakhanya ngimprofiler njengano Ndamane, ngimprofile njengano leli base of uMbokazi because bonke bamnandi, bese uSibisi ngimprofile no-Icon, of which I think umkhulu he knows ukuthi abadlali abanjengano Icon nabo Sibisi they will be important kwezinye izikhathi zama-games. Siyabadinga ogandaganda phinde sibadinga abantu abamnandi, but we need a centre back emnandi. Ngizoyenza i-lineup yami engicabanga ukuthi kumele siyenze before igame iqale, but okwamanje sisakhuluma nge-squad. Coming kuma midfielders, okay, I think I'm a pivot lawa for sure. I'm happy ngawo. I'm not happy ngosithole ebafethu like serious I'm not happy ngosithole, but it's fine. I'm happy to khona Adams, Umbatha, Mkwena, very happy. My forwards, I'm very happy futhi ngawo my forwards, because mawubheka right sino apolice, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi usibelebele umkhulu umbizele ukuba lapha ka right, but it's a different profile because apolice is more like a number 10, benomfuking, and then we gonna have the left forwards are stronger ngale game. I think uMaseko benomorem, if bezoba best ngalolo suku, they'll give us the best performances. I think njengama angimboni uMaseko la dlala khona, but seeing ukuthi umkhulu umbizile, knowing uMaseko before alimale kwi-AFCON, isimanga ezenza, the ability to run behind, uyafana noMorem, they can run behind ama-defenders, futhi they have a good technique, bayakwazi futhi nokora. I think bazosilekelela. We having umshisho bafethu akadingi explanation, bazobe bedlala beshara leya position benomafukeng. And then kuma-forwards, calling uRenas bafethu, wow. And then having uMakgopa, I don't like Vota, I don't like him. So I think it's going to say it's strong. Kukhona la ngingavumelani khona, but futhi khona la ngivumelana khona. That is what makes a squad. A squad is not like a club level where abadlali have a chance ukuthi beziprove. La sifuna abantu who are proven, abantu abaziyo, and I think le team bafethu can make it to the finals bafethu. Mangabe wabona iFrance ngo-2010, they had quality players about their Henry and everything, baphuma early. Why? I-team, they lacked i-team, izinto ezenzeka ngemuva, babexabana and stuff. So I think with the coach having the selection, ukhiphe i-core team edabanye abadlali kwe-team ukuthi spirit i-changing room ingalahleki. I believe bafethu gonna make it out kuma-group stages, and sizokwazi futhi kuma-knockout. If Ronan Williams at his best, you can make it to the final. I believe so. So thank you bafowethu.